Alright guys, today we're replacing a motherboard on a Navien NCB-240 boiler. And of course, safety. Shut off the boiler, make sure the power is off. Right now, just take a picture, and I would say take a picture of the board and make sure all your wire harnesses are in place so there's no mistakes. So once you guys take a picture, you can start disassembling the board. First thing I'll do is remove the display module on the front of the board. Once you remove the display module in front of the board, now you get access to the motherboard. So there's a total of 3 screws, 1 on top, 2 on the bottom. So once you remove those screws, you can place the motherboard in. Once the motherboard is in place, now you can start disconnecting all the wire harnesses and disconnect them and installing them into the new board. So what I would do is not only just take a picture or just make some type of a marking. You can use a tape, colored tape. That would be the best type of way of to not make a mistake. But again, you always use to take a picture, use your picture as a reference, and you cannot make any mistakes. So with that being said, guys, if you have any problems, you can always call Louis the Boilerman at 516-377-5200 for your next tips on any Navien boiler NCB-240. Guys, remember to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tap the bell button to watch my next video.